Welcome to Facts 101, where you'll learn about interesting and random facts. There's a rare breed of chicken called the Ayam Cemani that's completely black. They have black plumage, legs, nails, beak, and even black meat, bones, and a black tongue. Researchers find new emperor penguin colonies by looking for their poop from a satellite in space. When a male Gentoo penguin falls in love with a female penguin, he searches the entire beach to find the perfect pebble to present to her. Hippos secrete a red-pink fluid dubbed blood sweat, which acts as a skin moisturizer, water repellent, sunscreen, and antibiotic. Ants have graveyards. The average life expectancy of an ant is 45 to 60 days. Army ants are used as natural sutures. Their jaws are so powerful, natives staple wounds by forcing ants to bite them and break off the body. Rats laugh when they are tickled. Lobsters communicate by peeing on each other. A parrot named Alex was subject of a 30-year experiment. His last words to his caretaker were, "You be good. See you tomorrow. I love you." A cow produces more than 200,000 glasses of milk in her lifetime. Cows can produce more milk when listening to music. Cows are more social than you think. They have best friends, and when separated, get lonely and stressed. Sloths take 2 weeks to digest their food. They only poop once a week. The event is called the poo dance because they wiggle their butts. When Washoe, the first chimp to use sign language, was told that her caretaker's baby had died, she signed "cry." It takes at least 8 worker bees to visit around 4,000 flowers in order to make 1 tablespoon of honey. Once the queen is deemed unfit to serve due to old age or disease, worker bees form a tight cluster around her until she dies from overheating, a process known as cuddle death. When a male honeybee climaxes during sex, his testicles explode and then he dies. The difference between antlers and horns is that antlers are shed each year and are made of bone, while horns are kept for life and are made of living tissue and bone with a sheath that is very similar to human fingernails. When dragonflies mate, their tails form a love heart. A scorpion can hold its breath for up to 6 days. Crows living in some urban areas drop nuts into traffic to let passing cars crush them. Then they wait for the red lights to stop the traffic so they can grab and eat it. There's a lizard known as the Jesus lizard that can run across water. The male seahorse carries babies and gives birth to them instead of the female. Snails breathe through their feet. They can live up to 15 years. They can sleep for 3 years. 15% of snails survive digestion by birds and are found alive in their droppings, potentially leading to the spread of snail populations. A puppy is born blind, deaf, and toothless. Camels and llamas can crossbreed. The offspring is called a cama. Service dogs are trained to know when they are on duty. When their harness is on, they know they are at work. When you take it off, they instantly become playful and energetic. Dogs turn in circles before lying down because in the wild, this turns long grass into a bed. Dogs can detect sadness in humans and often attempt to make their owners happy by initiating cuddling. Dogs sometimes fake being sick to get attention. Nervous dogs wag their tails to the left and happy dogs to the right, from the dog's point of view, and fellow canines pick up on this lopsided tail language. Elephants are among the most emotional creatures in the world. They have even been known to rescue other animals, such as trapped dogs. Pet dogs and elephants are the only animals that seem to instinctively understand human gesture. A newborn kangaroo is small enough to fit in a spoon. Male kangaroos flex their biceps to impress females. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. Mosquitoes don't just bite you, they also pee on you. Mosquitoes prefer certain blood types, and people with the O blood type are more likely to get bitten. Moths are unable to fly during an earthquake. Domestic pigs average a top speed of about 11 miles per hour. It is physically impossible for pigs to look up into the sky. A pig's orgasm lasts for 30 minutes. In Switzerland, it is illegal to own only 1 guinea pig because they are prone to loneliness. A cat can jump 5 times as high as it is tall. A domestic cat can sprint at about 31 miles per hour. It has been scientifically proven that stroking a cat can lower one's blood pressure. The 2 oldest cats on record lived to 38 and 34 years old. Both were owned by the same owner and lived off a diet of bacon, eggs, broccoli, and coffee. A cat rubs against people not only to be affectionate, but also to mark out its territory with scent glands around its face. The tail area and paws also carry the cat's scent. The CIA once spent $20 million on a cat equipped with gear to spy on the Soviets, but it was hit by a taxi. A group of unicorns is called a blessing. Shark corneas are used in eye transplants, and shark bone marrow can be used to graft human bones. Sharks, like other fish, have their reproductive organs in their chests. Dolphins can rapidly heal from extreme injuries, such as shark bites, and regenerate their original body shape. It has been calculated that a single breath from a mature blue whale can inflate up to 2,000 balloons. A 42-foot sperm whale has about 7 tons of oil in it. Whales and dolphins can't taste anything other than salt. Blue whale arteries are large enough for humans to swim through, and their hearts are the size of cars. If a vampire bat goes 2 days without drinking blood, they can die. However, well-fed female bats will puke up blood and share it with other bats that they like in exchange for grooming. Squirrels forget where they hide about half of their nuts. Alligators can live up to 100 years. Jumping fleas can accelerate 50 times faster than the space shuttle. After octopuses breed, they develop dementia. They then live the rest of their lives in this confused, seemingly lost state, with apparently no knowledge of previous events. Flies are deaf. A crocodile always grows new teeth to replace the old teeth. A crocodile cannot stick out its tongue. Dalmatians are born without spots. Thank you for watching Facts 101. We hope you learned some interesting new facts. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.